Here is a typical cushion compact case that contains a Porex reservoir pad. This new Porex pad technology is a gradient density fiber which is designed to work with all types of makeup, skincare, or fragrance formulas. The patented design works to release the desired amount of formula while maintaining a smooth, durable surface without the need for mesh or screens. To fill your cushion compact with formula manually, open the cushion compact outer case, remove the applicator pad, and open the inner case to reveal the reservoir. Remove the reservoir pad from the case. Fill the empty reservoir approximately half full. Slowly replace the pad into the reservoir while allowing the formula to soak in as it's being compressed. Gently apply finger pressure over several areas of the pad to ensure consistent absorption of formula throughout the pad. Carefully work around the outer edge and then toward the center, compressing gently to encourage formula absorption into the pad. Once completely saturated to the surface of the pad, close the inner reservoir, replace the applicator pad, and close the outer compact case. Turn the compact case over and allow the pad to sit in the formula for a minimum of 30 minutes before use. In an actual manufacturing situation, the fill process would be done with typical automated equipment used for filling other types of reservoir pads. The Porex reservoir pad can be customized to accommodate different requirements in formulas and release characteristics. For more information on this new innovation in cushion compact technology, contact Porex directly through email or via our website at www.porex.com.